Back to quiz showtime! Today we will guess Italian and Indonesian brainrot meme. 20 questions, 10 seconds to find the answer. For each correct answer, you will get 1 point. Please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Can you name this character?
Lirili Larila, elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Con la Lirili Larila, elefante nel deserto.
That's right, it's Lirili Larila.
Lirili Larila, elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Con la Lirili Larila, elefante nel deserto.
Time for the next brainrot.
Vacca Saturno Saturnita. De frente tu sei tanto bonita. Vacca Saturno Saturnita.
It's Vacca.
Vacca Saturno Saturnita. De frente tu sei tanto bonita. Vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Find the odd one out. That's good. You have a catchy eye. Watch out, this one's tricky.
Pulbito bandito trattorito. Mamma mia, chi ha dato il trattore a questa patata? Ya perdole.
That's right, it's Bulbito.
Pulbito bandito trattorito. Mamma mia, chi ha dato il trattore a questa patata? Ya perdole.
Watch out, this one's tricky.
Tralalero tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah. Tralalero.
That's right, it's Tralalero.
Tralalero tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah. Oi, Bombardino bondito? El bobrito gangsterito, banditelli don Bobrito. Assassini Cappuccini.
Let us know in the comments section. Can you name this character?
Rangutini ananasini, poop pop bada bim, ananasuchi monkey 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 uchi.
That's right, it's Orangatini.
Rangutini ananasini, poop pop bada bim, ananasuchi monkey 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 uchi.
Time for the next brainrot.
Brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim. Nel bosco fitto e misterioso viveva un essere assai curioso.
That's right, it's Patapim.
Brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim. Nel bosco fitto e misterioso viveva un essere assai curioso.
Can you spot 3 differences? That's good. You have a catchy eye. Can you name this character?
Wah wah wah, Bananucci monkey 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 uchi. Or
That's right, it's Shimpanzinni.
Wah wah wah, Bananucci monkey 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 uchi. Or
Can you name this character?
Ponzini Cocosini, Bananucci monkey 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 uchi.
Cocosini.
That's right, it's Chimpacoco.
Ponzini cocosini. Wah wah wah. Ponzini cocosini.
Find the odd one out. Nice catch. Watch out, this one's tricky.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali tung 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 tung.
That's right, it's Tung Tung.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali tung 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 tung.
Time for the next Brainrot.
Mararam raraman mararaman dan madu dung 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 tak tuntung mararam raraman mararaman.
That's right, it's Garamarara.
Mararam raraman mararaman dan madu dung 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 tak tuntung mararam raraman mararaman.
Ini wah 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 Bananucci monkey 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 ucci.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano.
Let us know in the comments section. Can you name this character?
Assassini
Bananucci
Capuccini.
monkey monkey monkey
Questo
ucci.
killer furtivo si infiltra tra i...
That's right, it's Cappuccino.
Assassini Cappuccini. Questo killer furtivo si infiltra tra...
Can you name this character?
Din dun, ma din 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 dun. Merupakan sosok jeruk yang memilih din dun, ma din 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 dun.
That's right, it's Udin Din Din.
Din din dun, ma din 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 dun. Merupakan sosok jeruk yang memilih din dun, ma din 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 dun.
Can you spot 3 differences? That's good. You have a catchy eye. Can you name this character?
Frulli frulla, un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Frulli frulla, un pinguino.
That's right, it's Frulli Frulla.
Frulli frulla, un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Frulli frulla, un pinguino.
Can you name this character?
Baloni lulilolli. Capibarrello cocossini. Baloni lulilolli. Capibar.
That's right, it's Burbaloni.
Baloni lulilolli. Capibarrello cocossini. Baloni lulilolli. Capibarrello lulilolli. Capibarrello cocossini. È molto raro trovare sulle cose. Lirili Larila, elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Con la sua...
Let us know in the comments section. And that's a wrap for today's challenge. How many memes did you guess right? Whether you aced the Indonesian Brainrot, nailed the Italian chaos, or just laughed the whole way through, thanks for playing along with us. Don't forget to comment your score down below and let us know which meme totally broke your brain. If you had fun, hit that like button, subscribe to Quiz Showtime, and smash that notification bell so you never miss a quiz. We drop new meme challenges, viral games, and fast-paced brain tests every week. So stay tuned and keep that meme muscle strong. Until next time, keep laughing, keep guessing, and remember, it's never just a meme, it's brain rot. See you in the next quiz.